You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nii, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to instantly find and replace all instances of a particular word in the WordPress editor. So we're actually going to be needing the classic editor to do this. So you need to come right under plugin, add new. Then we're going to install and activate the classic editor plugin. So now that we have the classic editor installed, the next thing would be to install the plugin that we're going to be using for the find and replace, and that's the TinyMCE. So I'm going to click on install now. Then we're going to activate the plugin. So the next thing from here is to add a new post. So from here, I'm just going to go ahead and copy a post and then paste it right in the editor. And the next thing is to show you how the plugin actually works in finding and replacing all instances of a particular word in the editor. Now, it doesn't have to be a word. It can be a symbol, whatever it is you want to replace. You can use this tool to actually do that. So for instance, let's say we would like to replace this, that's the closing apostrophe and the dash. So I haven't selected those two symbols. You can come right under edit and then click on find and replace, and you can see that right there. So if you like to replace this with something else, so let's say we're actually replacing this with this. So the next thing is to come to find, and then it's going to sort through and find all the appearance of this combination, and then you can go ahead and click on replace. If you click on replace, it's just going to replace the first one. So to replace all now, you need to click on replace all, and it's just going to go ahead and replace all the instances of this in your WordPress post. So that's how to do it. I hope that's a useful one for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.